believe I have a problem. Bam. Snapped 3 studs on the way to work. I believe this is the Amazon special, meaning it comes with the studs. The whole assembly comes already with the bearing pressed in with the studs. And I cheaped out on this one. This one already came complete. I saw it, I bought it, now I'm paying for it. Also, besides, this car was always a big old tire, so they always over torque my lug nuts. I think it was about time these things just went out. To fix this issue, went ahead with the ARP extended studs. Yes, I know it's overkill, but I do not want to be going through this again. So it was quite an adventure driving home with the snap studs. So I'm gonna try this. I bought the wheel stud installer. I never used this before, but I thought I'd give it a shot. Where is it at? So here's a lug nut test. I saw some videos where it completely stops or it seizes right here. Stupid mosquito. There it is. With the lug nuts. Man, these fucking mosquitoes. Amishi, Molly, where the hell are you guys coming from? So yeah, here we go.
It all started when I got to get my, or I sent my car to Civic. And the thing is, like, and then you got your daily driver here.
I drive, that's probably the car I put the most mileage on with the Raptor over there. But yeah, Michael takes care of this at Vintage Racing for me tonight.
You actually have a real Euro, right?
Yeah, I got it. I used to make those plates. So I just put on. Played in the car, I just didn't have it on it.
Yeah.
And then Porsche made these fantastic Recaro racing seats back in the 80s. And
This is this your only racing drive car?
it is. It is. 71 Skyline Alpine.
I think the car is motivated. Oh man, I love this car so much.
I literally said, hey, I'm going to go to Cafe and Octane, I'm going to drive this. And
Like the Japanese car. I mean, I'm sure especially on the East Coast.
I took Cafe and Octane, and I was in the last parking lot going, there's a hot dog. And Morton has a store.
There's a 3 that snapped off. Next is I'm gonna PB blast the shit out of these. Just make it easier. No, don't do this to me.
With a little bit of a gold cast to it. But it's,
Good
it's
snap.
a nice touch to
One down. 1 billion more to go. Finished product, fully seated to the base. Had no issues with this set. It's all the same batch. Same date and everything, or lot I should say.
65 West End convertible. I think we should take this top off this with our top on it. You don't have room for our top. Okay. We'll push it out, put our top on it, get down to the basement, which we haven't seen the doors yet, but you're a big dude.
So here's the finished product. Very simple to install.
I love to see them. I don't ever want to hold one, so I'll buy Midori.
Alright, so today's game plan is originally, well, the way you properly do this is you remove the whole assembly, pop off the bearing, then you do your studs and whatnot. I don't need a bearing right now. I bet you would. I shouldn't say that. So today's game plan is not to trim the heads on these studs. I've seen people cut half of it away just to make it fit or get some clearance. And with the extended studs, it's impossible to line it up. So we're gonna cut away on the heat shield, dust shield, and then we're gonna trim on the assembly. And we should have clearance to put these in. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Alright, let's try this again. Done. Just gotta hammer it in, but yeah, we're good. Look. There's number one.
We might actually have it. I mean, we could go to ATM. Oh, I think I have another cover. Oh, look at that one. I need to put that away. Only in Japan you can drive cars like this around, huh?